So today is Friday and we're gonna have some fried fish and french fries. So come on, come cook with me. Okay guys, so just make sure that you turn your oil on right now so it can be ready when we're ready to fry the fish, okay? So I'm turning my oil on right now so it can be hot when we're ready to fry the fish, okay? Okay guys, so the ingredients that we're using today is, you need your fish. So the fish that I'm using today is the catfish fillet, okay? And I have already sliced it up. I just sliced it in half, okay? And then I'm gonna need some cornmeal, and we're gonna need, I'm gonna use garlic salt, garlic powder, and some black pepper to season it with, okay? And of course, you know you need your cooking oil. Okay, you guys? So come on, let's get started. Okay, so here are the ingredients. This is a very fast meal today, you guys. We're just gonna make us some fried fish and fries, honey, and we're gonna be done. And here are the ingredients. Very simple, okay? So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is season the fish. So what I have first is we're gonna use some onion powder, okay? I love putting onion powder on my fish. It tastes so good. Okay, and the next thing that I'm gonna put on my, oops, sorry guys. The next thing we're gonna put on it is the garlic salt that tried to slip away from me. Okay, so we're gonna put some garlic salt. Okay, and the next thing that we're gonna use is black pepper. Okay, so just sprinkle your black pepper over it. Okay, you guys? Okay, now what you're gonna do is just toss this around. Just toss it around. Make sure the spices are all over. And then, just a minute, you guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to sneeze and I didn't want to sneeze on camera. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is season my cornmeal. I have 2 cups of cornmeal in this plasticware, okay? 2 cups of cornmeal in here. And then you're just gonna use the same spices that you used to season your fish. You just put the same spices in there. Just sprinkle a little bit, not too much, okay? Because you already seasoned the fish. All right? Then you just shake it around or toss it around. Make sure it's all over the cornmeal. All right? That way you know your fish is really seasoned good. All right? And next, all you do is you dip your fish in the cornmeal. You just dip it in there, okay? Okay, you guys, so you just season each piece of fish. You batter each piece, okay? Flip it over, batter the other side, and then you just put it in the plate. Okay, just make sure you batter each side. Make sure it has batter on each side. You have the cornmeal on each side, okay? It's very easy, you guys. This is really fast, quick meal. Delicious fried catfish. Okay? Okay. I put the season in my cornmeal so I can make sure that the fish is seasoned. Okay. All right, so you just do this with all the pieces, okay? And then when you're done, we're gonna be ready to fry, okay, you guys? Very easy. This is very easy and delicious meal. All right, so that's enough for now. Let's go to the stove and we're gonna start frying, okay? Okay guys, let's fry the fish. Okay, you guys, so my cooking oil is hot. Okay, the way that I test my cooking oil to see if it's hot, I'll just get a little piece of meat or just the cornmeal, and just, if you put the meat in there like that and it comes up to the top, now I know my cooking oil is hot enough for the fish. So we're gonna put the fish in, okay? And I'm using a pot because I have a deep fryer, but it's too big. And honey, I did not feel like dealing with all that oil in that deep fryer. I don't have to cook for a lot of people now, so I don't really need that big old deep fryer anymore, unless I have my family over. But I'm using the pot right now, and we're gonna pretend it's a deep fryer. Yep, that's what I'm doing. So make sure your stove, if you have too many pieces in there, you guys, it'll start to it won't fry good. So don't put too many pieces in there. Okay, just enough to hold whatever size skillet or pot or whatever you're frying it in. Okay, so this is enough for this pot. Okay, so you're just gonna let it fry. You just let it fry until it get nice and golden on each side. When it get nice and golden on each side, I mean on the first side, then we're gonna flip it over and do it again on the other side. Okay, so we're just gonna let it get nice and golden, and I'll come back when it's done. Okay, and then I'll let you guys see it when I flip it over. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, so let's check on it. Just 1 minute. Let me step on top of my stool. Okay, now wait. All right, I have to step on top of my stool, you guys, so I can see. Okay, so now look at that. It's nice and golden on that side, so we're gonna flip it over. Okay, look at that, nice and golden. When it's a nice pretty golden color, you flip it over. And these pieces are pretty thin, so they don't have to stay in long. And see how it floats to the top when it starts to get ready. Also, that's how you know your fish is almost done. Okay, so we're gonna let this side get nice and golden, you guys, and then we're gonna be done. And I also have my French fries over there cooking too. So hold on just 1 minute, I'll show you. Okay, so see, I have my fries ready. They're getting ready also. So we're gonna be ready to eat in a few minutes, you guys. This is a fast meal. Fast but delicious. Okay. Okay, you guys, it's ready. Look at that. Nice and golden on each side. So now it's ready. You see that? It's ready. So let's take it out, okay? So just drain the oil off like this. Just shake the oil off as you before you put it in the pan. Okay? And you just take each piece out. And we're ready. Look at that. See how nice and golden it is? Nice and golden on each side. That's how you want your fish to look. Okay? Last piece. You see that, you guys? Nice and golden. Nice and golden on each side. That's how you want your fish to look. Okay? Look at that. Don't it look delicious? Mmm. Okay. So I'm gonna turn my stove off. Okay, now I'm gonna take the fries out and I'll meet you over and we're gonna make a plate. And there you have it. Fried catfish with French fries. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week. See you next week. Thank you.